Hello, my friends. It's wonderful to see you. Remember to click subscribe and hit the like button for more adventures. Get your mat ready, take a big breath, and let's get started. All right, let's go.
Puppy pose. From tabletop, walk your hands forward, keep hips above knees, and melt your chest toward the mat, relaxing your forehead or chin down. Breathe slowly and evenly. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, place your hands under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest, using your back muscles with little weight in the hands. Breathe slowly and evenly. Chair twist. From chair pose, bring your palms together at your chest and twist, hooking one elbow outside the opposite knee. Breathe slowly and evenly. Revolved triangle pose. From pyramid pose, place your opposite hand outside the front foot and twist your torso, lifting the other arm up. Breathe slowly and evenly. Reclined pigeon. Lie on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite thigh, and draw the legs toward your chest for a hip stretch. Breathe slowly and evenly. Plank pose. Step your feet back into a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and keep your shoulders stacked over your wrists. Breathe slowly and evenly. Cat pose. From tabletop, round your spine toward the ceiling, tuck your chin, and gently draw your belly button toward your spine. Breathe slowly and evenly. Bow pose. Lie on your belly, bend your knees, grab your ankles, and lift your chest and thighs as you press your feet into your hands. Breathe slowly and evenly. Mountain pose. Stand tall with feet hip-width apart. Press all four corners of the feet into the mat. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly and evenly. Dolphin pose. From tabletop, lower your forearms and lift your hips up and back, similar to downward dog, but on your forearms. Breathe slowly and evenly. Warrior 3. From standing, hinge forward and lift one leg back, forming a straight line from head to heel with arms reaching forward or back. Breathe slowly and evenly. Lizard pose. From runner's lunge, walk both hands inside the front foot and lower your hips, staying on hands or forearms. Breathe slowly and evenly. Side plank. From plank, roll onto the outer edge of one foot, stack your feet and lift your top arm toward the ceiling, keeping your hips lifted. Breathe slowly and evenly. Sphinx pose. Lie on your belly, place your forearms on the mat, and gently lift your chest, broadening your collarbones. Breathe slowly and evenly. Wild thing. From side plank or three-legged dog, carefully flip your body open, grounding one hand and both feet as you lift your chest toward the sky. Breathe slowly and evenly.
Wonderful job, my friends! You moved with such grace today. If you had fun, please like the video and subscribe to join our team. Invite your friends to practice next time. Big breath in, smile, and relax. See you soon. Bye-bye.